The 2019-2021 Kia Forte flip key uses a CR2032 battery. First, gather your tools, a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Stabilize the key by inserting the physical key blade into an ignition or lock. Gently pry open the key fob by inserting the screwdriver into the seam. Some models have a notch for easier access. Carefully lift the battery clip or holder, noting the orientation of the old battery with positive side up. Remove the old battery, avoiding contact with the circuit board to prevent damage or corrosion. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Securely snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Test the remote functions like lock and unlock near your Kia Forte to ensure the new battery is working correctly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery alignment and ensure the battery isn't faulty. Recycle the old battery according to EPA guidelines to minimize electronic waste.